What if I told you there's a way to catch multiple birds without having to manually reset the trap after each one? This trap requires no electricity and resets itself instantly. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how it works.
The collecting basket is a circular, hollow container, usually made of wood, and in this version enclosed on the outside by a net. The opening of the container faces upwards and typically has a diameter of 20–40 centimeters. In this case, I want to catch sparrows, a small bird species, which is why the trap is also relatively small. The tilting lid is a round, flat cover for the opening, its diameter slightly smaller than the basket's cross-section, so that it does not touch the basket's sidewalls. The lightweight plastic lid is held horizontally over the opening by a rubber band. In the unactivated position, the lid is horizontally aligned. It hangs in a state of equilibrium where the center of gravity appears stable due to the fastening, but is intrinsically unstable due to the bearing. If weight is applied, the lid tilts.
In its initial position, the lid lies horizontally and closes the collection basket. This state is an unstable equilibrium. As soon as a bird lands on the lid, the center of gravity shifts. The slight additional weight is enough to tip the unstable balance. The lid tilts abruptly downwards, and the bird slides into the collection basket. The rubber band automatically pulls the now unloaded lid back into its horizontal resting position. The trap is immediately ready for use again. And there you have it, a 100% automatic multi-catch trap. If you're amazed by how effective this is, please smash that like button and subscribe for more unique DIY traps. Stay safe, stay smart.